This broadcast is for all people that are living in Euclidean Towers or near Euclidean Towers. This broadcast is not a simulation. Turn every device off after this message. Local authorities have been getting multiple reports from adults and caretakers that the babies from Crown Child Care have been turning into demons or killing other people. If you have a baby that was delivered by Crown Child Care, don't pick it up. Get out of the apartment as quickly as possible. To know if the baby can turn into a monster, it should be bald, have a yellow crown sweater, a diaper, a bandage in a knee sometimes, and dark green socks and gloves. And if you see the creature form of the baby, make sure to have a loaded weapon with you at all times. Don't use any closed-range weapons, because it could cost you your life. If you see the creature far away, make sure to call the local authorities or tell a near police officer. We would also like to mention that the creature could also spawn tentacles, use telekinesis, or even show their dreams. We will be back with further updates. Stay safe.